Bourgeois? Yeah.
Got some thunderstorms behind us. We're gonna have to race those things. Already feels like the wind might be switching a little bit. Tell you what, there's like hidden energy out here. Like there's not a lot of texture on the surface, not a lot of wind chop. But there's just energy, groundswell energy. I didn't know it was in the water right now. It's actually pretty fun. It might be just of the direction. The wind is pretty much straight down the beach, which obviously always helps. Just gotta race this storm, which I think I'm gonna be good. And then, yeah, that's about it. We're about halfway through right now. And having fun. Ooh, whipped out. Whipped out. I know I've said it before, but the 680 handled breaches great. I just walked into a frickin' ball set. It's like 3 waves, like full surf style, drop in, off the bottom turn, pick out, and then right behind it, full carving wrap. And the last one was breaking whitewater. And it's freaking, like it was full surf curve breaking whitewater. And I just pull up. That was freaking fun. Woo! Made it in. Not past. Big storm back there. Big storm. Dude. Woo! Fun though. That was a good run. Look at it. Look at there. Woo! Woo! Got a button. Pants are coming undone.